Hi there, it's George here, and today I'm gonna do repotting this beautiful plant, which is Solanum, and I have to do it because I have this plant for a little long time in this spot, and I think already it's a root bound, so many roots there inside should be. Our soil dries very quick because it is full of roots, and from that reason some of the leaves are yellowing, as you can see here. But anyway, so remained only one fruit, as you can see, decorative only, and I have to repot this plant in this size of pot, not very big, but the plant, it will grow well in it, as you can see the size. And I must do that inside, and before I do that I will no water the potting soil because I don't want to get water here anyway. And I will show you what potting soil I'm gonna use. This is my own potting soil, and it is actually compost, and should grow well this plant in my own potting soil. So remained to remove this beautiful plant from the old pot and repot. And this Solanum I have since February 2019. I got it very easily from the pot. And let me show you the root system. And in the past I used the soil from the forest, but now my own compost, and it's like almost the same. I used leaves and some other vegetables from the garden, and it should be good compost, and let's see how it will work for this plant. I should dig around these roots to have contact with the new soil, and yeah, I'm gonna do that careful. Oh my god, the soil is quite strong, as you can see here. Smells, this root smells awesome. My god, what a root bond here. Well done, I'm done with this. Now let's add new potting soil in this spot. But now finally let's plant this Solanum here. I say that is perfect, and I'm gonna add soil around it. Well, I repotted this plant already and I have to water it. I will use tap water, but I let it go for a while, then it's good for plants. And I hope there is no any chemicals in this water, but you know, we'll see. As I can notice, the soil is quite drainable. When the soil will sit, I will add more. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and when this decorative plant will have many fruits such like this, and I will show you update in summertime video special. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell to get notification when I'm posting new videos. As well, you can subscribe to my photography channel. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.